Hey guys, today I'm gonna be going to my dogs. I'll be back when Hey guys, I'm back and I'm here with the dogs. Jess and Rue. Jess and Rue. Okay, let's go. Art. Enough. So we are doing first person type thing. So, Art. Art. Look. Guys. Go get it. Guys, I'm sorry for it was blurry. Come on. Let's go. Ah. Whoa. They fell. Let's go get the ball. Look. Whoa! Guys, just hopping on the thing, on the table. This is Jess. It's gone tramp. Get up! Jess! Get up! Quick! Ready? Oh yeah! Good girl! Come on. Art! Get up! She's on the table. Okay. What happens if we get up here? Whoa! Again. Where's Rue? No. Rue! She likes to come with this. Rue! Oh no. That's just Rue! Up there.
Put it in a box.
Jess, come on! There's no water in there. I'll be back, guys. This is Rue. Rue!
They get them in their box.
Yeah, I know how to. Okay. We come. Okay. So guys, this will be the end of the video of my dogs. Please like, subscribe, and see more. Jess, any last words? If you want to see more, please like and subscribe. That's all I have to say. See ya. Bye. Guys, sorry for this, but this is them in the box. This is Jess in her box finally.
Jess just has to calm down a little bit. That's why I put it in there. She's hard. You see her tail?
Yes.
Let's get her calm down a little bit. Bye. You want some help? Here you go.
Okay.
Bye! Done.
Okay, please like, subscribe, and see you for more. Oh, okay, Rue just fell off the chair, the pup. Okay, so like, subscribe, and goodbye. See ya.